This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Monica Stevens. Welcome to the exquisite Manning floor plan, offering 2,842 square feet of elevated living. This upgraded home includes 3+ spacious bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a large bonus room providing ample room to relax. The beautifully updated kitchen features a freestanding island, quartz countertops, and comes fully equipped with stainless steel appliances including a refrigerator. A main-level office/bedroom adds convenience, while upstairs you'll find the additional bedrooms, huge bonus room, or optional bedroom, and an oversized laundry room. The master suite includes a luxurious walk-in tiled shower and a separate jacuzzi tub for ultimate comfort. Step outside onto the upgraded back deck and soak in the breathtaking mountain views that surround this stunning property. Almost every room in the house offers picturesque views of the mountains. The expansive 0.52-acre yard offers privacy and space to enjoy outdoor living, and when you want to explore the community, you will have access to exceptional amenities. These include a beach entry outdoor pool with a circular slide, a full wellness center, an indoor pool, a hot tub, sauna, and steam room. Enjoy the day-use dock and boat launch, perfect for exploring 5 miles of shoreline by boat, kayak, or canoe. Covered boat slips, complete with electricity, fuel, and lifts, are available for rent, adding even more convenience to your new lifestyle. For more information, visit www.thepreserveatoakridge.com. Schedule your showing today to experience this remarkable home. For more information, review the details below or contact Monica Stevens at 865-693-1111.